Hi everybody, this is June Shanahan from Doggone It Designs, and I'm here to give you a sneak preview into this set of social media clip art icons. You can include them in practically anything you can imagine. The reason I'm providing a video preview is because the template is something that I think you're going to like a lot because it's going to save you a lot of time. So the way it works is you just take my information out and you put your information in. You'd replace my logo with yours. You'd replace my signature with yours. And you'd change the links to be links to your social media accounts. For example, you would right-click on any of these icons, like the Facebook icon, and you would select the link and you'd insert your URL here and you'd click Save. You'd do the same thing for all of the other icons, and then you select everything, you right-click, copy, and then you go into your Gmail account. You go into Settings, See All Settings. You would scroll all the way down until you see the signature area. You'd create a new signature and name it anything. I'm just going to put S there for brevity, and then I'm going to right-click and paste. Then down where it says Signature Defaults for new emails, I'm just going to choose my sample S. I'm going to click Save Changes. Then I'm going to compose an email, and there it is. And that's what it looks like. Of course, you'd have an entire email written. I hope this saves you lots of time so you don't have to deal with building a template from scratch. Good boy.